Huh?
We're back.
Maybe. I'm uncomfy.
Want a pillow or something?
No, it's like, I don't know, my, I got my visual aid now. So, you know what we were just talking about? The candy ball gag? So here it is. Look. Oh, wait, where's the camera? Candy ball gag. There it is. Hey, get a big... That looks dangerous to me. Like, you could choke on that shit. Right? Don't you think?
Good.
That's dangerous. You know how many times my kids choked on candy balls? Like, hard candy?
My cousin did.
Gobstoppers
when
and
we were
shit?
kids. Choked on one of those little peppermints.
Yeah, turd choked on one of those. Okay, here we go. I'll just start back off with it being dangerous because I think I was talking about that. Let me get some nicotine first. Why can't I hear us? Oh, because I stopped recording. Okay. Let me get this over here. Got my mermaid, my unicorn. All right, here we go. Back to the ball gag. Candy. Oh, my bra. Shit. Oh, that's not good. We have a wardrobe malfunction going on here. All right. So, this thing could be pretty dangerous, I think. Don't you think? On top of slobbery and sticky. Like, what if it gets smaller? Because you know it's going to get smaller. Yeah, it's going to get smaller. It's going to, while you're sucking on it, at least the saliva is going to, yeah, make it wear out. You know what I mean? And get smaller. And then it could, what if it comes off the strings or it breaks and you're whipping them?
Chip a tooth at least.
Right? But what if you're like, and you think they're into it? They're all choking and they're like, and you think they're into it.
You can't say their safe words.
Yeah, because they're choking. That's not a safe toy. So, anyways, it's $10 on adamandeve.com. $9.95 with free shipping if you want to get your candy ball gag on. Next is the Monopoly Guy Stash Vibrator. That's what I'm calling it because that's what it looks like.
Monopoly Guy?
Yeah.
So it looks like Mr. Pennybags?
Yeah, it's like the Pringles mustache.
Oh, no shit.
Except you can get it in pink or black. And it's for like the people that ever wanted to give someone a mustache ride, but you don't have the stash for the ride. Like to give her the ride. Like you can't grow a good enough stash. So it's a strap-on vibrating mustache. And you put it right here, right above your lip, and you strap it around your ears. Turn it on with one button. And it's the Mustachio Vibrating Stash.
So it vibrates under your nose.
Yeah, could you imagine what that feels like? That's what I was thinking.
Imagine her having a seat and you sneezing.
Right, because it's going to tickle. It's going to tickle your nose and your face.
It's like blowing up a balloon.
Yeah, but it'd be...
Oh, bueno.
Oh, here, I'll show you a picture of it. You see it? You see it on there? What do you think about that?
I think it's silly.
Pizza guy. The vibrating mustache.
I'm not saying I wouldn't put it on for a joke, but, it looks
Hey,
silly.
it might feel good. You never know.
Yeah.
But yeah, it says it has a comfy strap-on that goes around your head, an easy on and off button, and 30 minutes of battery life. And then after that, you just throw it out. You're done. You just throw it out. How about that? 100% silicone. Like I said, pink or black. You can get it on Amazon.com for $10 with free shipping and handling. $10 for, what does it say? 30 minutes of mustache riding fun. Woo! What about that?
Absolutely, yeah. Hey.
I think it could be a good time. Never know. Now, this was kind of freaky. This is called Glow Lube. Well, I call it Glow Lube. It's Cosmic Bear Glow in the Dark Lube. the first and only glow-in-the-dark lube. Yeah. Yeah, Angie says, the mustache, LOL, not you. Oh, the mustache. What else you say? You going? Oh, no, that's somebody else. Oh, dumb, right? I think it's kind of dumb. But yeah, there's glow lube. And this is to make your do-it-yourself glow stick. What do you think about that?
A glow dick.
Yeah, a glow dick. A glow-in-the-dark dick. And you could even get like black lights and really get into it.
With the right mind-altering substances, that might,
That might be pretty cool.
trails.
Some trail. That would be some serious trails. So, yeah. So imagine how messy it could get.
Yeah,
I guess you could.
Glow-in-the-dark shit everywhere.
That could be kind of cool, though.
It could be.
You know,
Handprints all over the walls. Yeah.
right? Handprints on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, a glow-in-the-dark handprint on each ass cheek.
That'd be fun to play with, but I don't know if I'd want to have it,
I know, right? They say that
my
it's.
girl internally.
They say it's safe and non-toxic. That's what I'm wondering. They say it's pH balanced, glycerin, and paraben free.
What makes it glow?
I don't know, but because you would think it would be the same thing. Well, no, because glow sticks are like that shit lights up. That's not glow in the dark. Like this is just glow in the dark. I guess if they could make glow in the dark tattoos, like for ink that goes under your skin,
Yeah.
or black light tattoos, right? They could do lube. But really, ladies, you want that all up in you?
Onion, yeah. Onion, no.
Yeah, right? I don't know about that.
I think that would be fun, though.
It could be pretty cool.
Yeah.
But, like, say, just for handy? Is that what you mean? Like a glow-in-the-dark
Well,
handy?
handy, or like a massage, or just like grab the boobs.
You don't
and
want
see
a
two big
massage with
glow-in-the-dark
lube.
handprint.
Well, that could be funny. You get to chase them through the house.
Yeah.
I see your ass.
Uh-huh.
Just put it on the nips.
There you go.
Run through the house. Okay, well, here's another lube that I came across, and I'm not sure about this shit. Oh, and if you want to get that, you can get that at Amazon.com for $11.98 and free shipping and handling. $12. You got your, it's about this, I don't know how many ounces, but it's a good size. Cosmic Bear Glow in the Dark Lube. Amazon.com. You can get anything on Amazon. But the next one is called Spunk Lube. Okay, and I told you about this one. Yeah, I told you about this one.
Yeah.
Spunk Lube. And the difference in this to normal lube is it's white and creamy. So it's supposed to look like spooge. Let's put it that way. It's supposed to look like your boys. So, like, imagine that Something About Mary. They say they use that in Something About Mary.
That's what they used, hanging from his ear.
And then she wiped it in her hair.
Was the spunk lube?
Was the Spunk Lube. That's what they said. But, yeah, it's white and creamy. I think it might be good for, like, pranks. You know, like the Something About Mary thing. Kind of be, for a good, funny, kind of funny prank thing. You don't really have to use
the
the
spunk on your back.
So don't. Well, this, you could trick your friends and don't have to do the real thing. True. Yeah, spunk in a bottle. Hey, but they say that it softens the skin. It's supposed to be good for your skin too. You never know till you try it. But yeah. Oh, here's a picture of the little glow in the dark. It says Nature Lovin'.
Looks like a honey bear.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Cosmic Bear, Nature Lovin' Lubricant. Glow in the dark lube. Might have to get some of that just for the hell of it. Okay, now this is one of the scary ones. It's not as scary as the ones I'm going to tell you about. But it's called the it's called the Death by Orgasm. I'm sorry, it got me all twisted. Okay, Death by Orgasm. It's got 10 speeds. Well, actually, it's 3 speeds, and it goes 7 different patterns in these 3 speeds. Okay, so 10 in all. And it's the Scorpion Vibrator.
It looks like a scorpion?
It looks like a freaking scorpion. It looks like a black scorpion, and its cute little case is a coffin. Look at this. Facebook Live. Hopefully they could see that. But
What
it's a
do you
little
do
black.
with that thing?
Well, like I said, the little, like the things in front, you know what they're for.
It's like a thorough stimulator.
Yeah, it's a little mini vibrator. And like the tail could be used and all those different legs. It's like this big. So it fits right on there. Right on your sweet spot. And yeah, it's a black scorpion. And it comes with a case that's in the shape of a coffin. And it's waterproof. It's 100% silicone. And you can get it on lovehoney.com. Now, I couldn't find the price. This is what kind of bothered me. I couldn't find the price for this thing. It might be discontinued because I searched and searched and searched. And it said you could get it at Love Honey, and I couldn't find it on there. So,
I kind of thought every goth girl would have one of those in her drawer.
you know, maybe that's why they sold out. Maybe that's why I couldn't find it. Might have to go to eBay. But yeah, I couldn't find a price if you want your death by orgasm scorpion vibrator. Now, this was what we were talking about earlier. The Devil Dildo and the Grim Reaper. Okay? Yeah. This one looks straight up like a devil with like no arms in the shape of a penis. Okay? It's red and it's called the Devil Dildo. It's called the dildo. The Devil. And they have several, like he was saying, a lot of them are sacrilegious. I'm just going to put it that way. Just put it out there. I saw Buddha, just to say, in particular.
I saw a baby Jesus butt plug.
What? I didn't see that.
That picture.
That's horrible.
It looks like a little Jesus swaddled in a blanket that you insert up your chute.
Okay, no, I don't even want to picture that. Now here for Facebook Live is the Devil Dildo. See if I can get it on there. There he is.
Looks like it has a lot of angles.
It's freaking scary.
Like maybe a sharp edge or something.
He looks kind of like a samurai warrior in his face. Here, let me give him another look.
Yeah, it looks like a Kabuki warrior. Or one of those, whatever that's called.
That's some weird shit. But, yeah. You can get that. Or the Grim Reaper, which I would love to show you. But I can't get it to go to the website. But you can get that. The Grim Reaper. Yeah, it's not opening it for some reason. Oh, I think I turned the Wi-Fi off. Yeah, I did. Oh, well, no, I want to show it to you. I want to show it to Facebook Live, the Grim Reaper, because it is crazy looking. I'm not going to show any of the other ones because they're horrible. But, yeah. It says religious toys at the top, which is even worse. Anyways, oh, wait, no, there it is. This is pretty. Okay, there's the Grim Reaper. Here's the Grim Reaper. Damn it. I can't see it because that light. Ah. Okay, well, anyways, it looks like a little hooded skeleton. And they are both $59 each. They're 7 by 3/4 of an inch and 1 3/4 of an inch in diameter and girth. Okay, $59. You get them at DivineInterventions.com if you want to get your devil, yeah,